etching and paint filling a small mahogany plaque. Create the desired image as a bitmap. Load the image into UCCNC, setting the required size and parameters. Laser etch the image approximately 0.5 mm deep into the mahogany. Varnish the etching. This will prevent paint bleed into the end grain. After the varnish has dried, completely fill the etching with paint and allow to dry. Lightly sand to remove the excess white paint. Mark out and cut to the required size for the finished plaque. Lightly sand all edges and varnish the plaque to complete the project.